Hello guys, good evening. We are now proceed to our time punchline area. We will time out there. Together again, my friend Rubin Padilla, the only one singer assigning here in this project, guys.
Rubin Padilla ba?
Yeah.
Bakit tinatawag mo akong Rubin Padilla?
You look like Rubin Padilla.
Oh!
Yeah. Your action, your movements, your characteristics. Yes, that's right. It's characteristic.
On my face?
It's a little similar. It has a little similar with Rubin Padilla. And look our surrounding, guys. It's getting dark already. Timer is 10 minutes before 7 p.m. We will now slowly walking towards to the punchline area again, and then going to the bus service to bring forth us to our respective barracks, guys. Shout out to my honey, Monday Break. Shout out to you, my honey, and shout out also my families there in Philippines. Once again, my nephews. Shout out, and to all my legitist backers. Shout out to you guys and all my friends in Facebook. How are you, my friends? I hope you enjoy my videos. Yes. Tagalog, maraming salamat po. Thank you.